Hello everyone, I am Venkat Reddy. Welcome to my channel Venkat Reddy Excellent. In this video, I am going to share some tips on how to clean up the external links to other files that may be visible or hidden also. Few of those links can be also called as phantom links or ghost links. Let us see how to remove those phantom links or ghost links or external links. A file can have links to external files in various forms. Now let us see how to find them and delete unwanted external links. I am opening a sample file here, hidden external links sample. This file is full of external links. When we open the file, we will get this error message or warning message we will get. Some active content has been disabled, click for more details. Because it has some links to external files. Based on my Excel settings, it's automatically blocking the external content. To identify the external links, you can use the option Data Edit Links. Go to the file, go to options Data, Edit Links. If you click here, it will list down all the files for which you have the links in this sheet or in this workbook. Here you can select and you can just click the break links, or if you want to go any specifically to particular cells, you can use the second option, manual search. By using find and replace, here you have to type square bracket star closing square bracket and search it. It will show the cells which have the links to external files. If you see this, all external links will be created in a square bracket. This file name will be stored in a square bracket. By using this method, you can identify the cells in which external link has been given. To find out all the external links at one shot, you can do find all here. Select this one and just find all. If you expand it, it will list down all the cells which have the links to external files. So each one you can select, or you can select all, Control A, and you can delete them straight away. Like this you can do. Otherwise, go to edit links and you can do break links. Still, the links are not yet gone fully. Let us see where are the other links we have it. As of now, in this method is already I have removed the external links. By searching this one, you should be careful that the same content should not be available in this file. For that, we may put some differentiated text here. Example, in this case, the file name is tips to clean up hidden Excel links. Here you can change the searching content here. By this method, you can identify the cells which have the external links. This file still having the external links to other files. Let us see the third one. We have the named ranges. Something may be visible and something may be hidden also. Now let us see how to unhide the all hidden names and how to delete them. The names can be visible here. Go to formulas and name manager. Here it will list down all the names. You should be careful that These names include the table names and print preview also. While selecting and deleting them, you should be carefully select them. Otherwise, all your print preview may go off and table names will go off. Now select the name ranges which have external links that you don't want to have. Just select them and delete them. If you want to select only defined names and not the table names, here you can filter them. Defined names, or you have some other filters also, names with error, name without error, name scope to worksheet or workbook. Like that, we have multiple search options. Here I am selecting defined names. To select all at one time, select the first one and just go down, or you can put Control Enter also. Now just delete them. With this name range part is not yet over. There may be some hidden names which will have the links to other files. To unhide all the names, here I have given a macro here. Just copy that. Press Alt F11. Paste that coding here and just execute it. You can press F5 or you can press F8. Go to step by step. After executing that, again go to name manager. See, one more name is showing here. One more defined name is showing here. So this also we can delete if we don't want them. Or if you want to delete all the defined names at one shot, you can use this below given macro. Now we can go to conditional formatting. Generally, conditional formatting doesn't allow to have external links, but there is a workaround. By using indirect function, conditional formatting still can have external links. Here I have built conditional formatting here by using the indirect function. I'm just going to conditional formatting, edit rule. By using this formula, custom formula, here I have given if A4, here this first column is equal to indirect from tips cleans. I have given the links to some sheet 1, B6 in the other file. Sheet 1 and B6. So if it is 4, I have given some different custom format. To delete them, I have to go through each one. You can select this entire worksheet. Go through each one. Here you can see the formula in the beginning itself. If you have some here, if you mouse over the cursor here, you can see the full formula available here. By seeing that, have to go and edit the custom formatting. Here, in this case, I am just deleting them. Now the other option is the charts will have the links to other files either through data or in the titles. They maybe have links to other files. Here I have created a chart from other file. If I see the source data for this, it is showing from the other file. Select data here. Yes, since I have deleted the external links in the beginning, the links has been gone here, so it is showing only values. I will take this chart from the backup file. This one I'm just copy and paste it here. I'm just closing the backup file. Now, if you see this file should have the links to external files. If from other file, the data has been linked. And sometimes you can directly use the links to titles. Here, by selecting and just put equal to symbol here and go to other file, just select that cell. So like this titles also will have the links to other files. Once we have identified the charts with external links, that we can edit either to local data or we can delete the external links. Just giving break links that will be converted into values directly. They also just converted into values. And the next option is objects or shapes or form controls having links to other files. Here I have selected some form controls here. Just to drop down button, and I have a command button, and here I have a shape, a rectangle, and the link has been given to other file. For example, here the link was like this, it was given like this, and it was like this. And in this form control, I have given the links to external file. Input range has been taken from other file. So to select all the objects at one shot, go to developer, go to design mode, select any one of them, or you can press right click and press Ctrl A to select all the objects. You should be careful that it will select the charts also. If any chart selected, you have to deselect them and directly just delete them. The other option to select the objects is press F5 or Ctrl G, special, click on the objects, press OK. It will select all the objects in the particular sheet. In this method also charts will be selected, that we have to deselect if we don't want to delete. Another option to select all the objects is go to home, find and select, selection pane. Here it will list down all the objects available in this sheet. Try to select them. Selection is somewhat tricky here. I'm just putting some shift also not working. Somehow I managed to select all those things and just delete them. Okay, one drop down is still pending. But also I'm just deleting them. And the last one is pivot tables. When we copy the pivot table from one file to other file, the underlying data will be still lying in the other file. In this case, I had copied a pivot table from another file, and if you see, This file is still having the links to this other file. Some useful pivot table like that, some other file, the data has been. Now, in these cases, either you have to change the source to local file or you have to convert them into values. I have just closed the file and now I am reopening that. Now there is no message coming like external data is there in this file. I hope you like this video. Please provide your feedback in the comment section or you can send me a direct message on my email ID. Please share this video to your friends who don't know whether it may be, he may find it very useful. Also, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell button so that you will get notification on my future videos. Thank you.